This is from section 5.1, number 41. In the instructions, they ask you to find the length of an arc. You're given this information. So I went to my formula sheet to get the length of an arc. It told me it was this. S is the arc length, theta is in radians, it is the angle, r is the radius. They gave us exactly what we needed in exactly the correct form because theta is in radians. So you put pi over 3 times 5.02. I'm sure they probably multiplied this, but I didn't bring a calculator home with me. So you're going to divide that out. Once you divide or multiply that and then divide that out, once you do that, since we're finding the length and we're in miles, this length of the arc is going to be in miles. What you just did is you had a sector here whose angle was pi over 3, whose radius was 5.02 miles, and you were finding S, this distance right here. Down here, they switched in the instructions. They wanted you to find the area of the sector. This is for 47. In order to find the area of the sector, I went to the formula sheet. It gave me this formula. I have to remember that theta must be in radians. Theta is not in radians, so the first thing I have to do is convert this. Or, like I said, this is one of our common ones, so you should be able to look on your sheet and see what 30 degrees is equivalent to. So it's pi over 6. Now I can go ahead and substitute that in. So we have 1/2 times pi over 6. Oops, I forgot this is r squared. Times r squared, which is 20. So again, I don't have a calculator, so I'm going to simplify this down as much as possible. They probably just put it in a calculator and gave you a decimal answer. So this goes in there, 10, and then 6 is 3, and 5. So we have 5 times 20 over 3 times 1, and then pi. So you're going to multiply that all out. And then this is area, so it's going to be square centimeters. This is going to be approximately 100 and something square meters. This is going to be approximately 6-ish miles. And then the next one, same formula. This time they did give us theta in terms of radians. If you look in the book, it says pi radians. So we can just go ahead and plug this right in. It's 0.7 squared. 0.7 squared is 0.49. Whoops, that shouldn't be an equals to sign, that should be times. So we end up with 0.49 over 2 times pi, whatever that is when you multiply it out. And then this, oh, I didn't write down what the radius was in. Oh, the radius was in inches. And so then this would be square inches.